Is it wrong to feel so all alone, just wanting to fit in, wanting to make a friend, just want a family of my own, something I've never known. It would give meaning to my life, like a star that lights the night. Please just give me a chance to love again and be your best friend, someone to play with you, walk with you, be a part of what you do. So take a chance on me, I'll take a chance on you. We'll never be alone. Please take me home.
Visit the Humane Society Mountain Shelter and take home some love.